This Honda CR-V has a 1.5 liter engine and it suffers from oil dilution. The owner will bring it to me for an oil change when the maintenance miner tells him to, and that's usually when it's about 15% oil life. And I'll measure how much oil I take out of this vehicle, and it's usually anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 of a quart too much, and that extra fluid is actually fuel that's mixed inside with our oil. So obviously that is not good. We don't want fuel inside our oil. Now this vehicle takes 3.7 US quarts, and this time the owner brought it to me for an oil change at 40% oil life. And right here, this is the oil that I took out of the vehicle, and if we look, I got it marked right there, 3.7 US quarts, and that's exactly how much we took out. Now this isn't 100% scientific, but that's a good sign that the amount of oil that we put in, 3.7 quarts, is the amount of oil that we took out of the vehicle this time. So in my opinion, it's always better change that oil sooner rather than later, especially if you have a 1.5 liter Honda engine like this that suffers from oil dilution. Thanks for watching.